happening, YouTube? Okay, today I'm going to do a quick video about the risk reward tool on MT5. So basically, I don't know how many guys trade out there, but when you're about to take a trade, you put your risk at 1% or 0.5%, and then you start messing around with the tool going, well, if I just make that stop a little bit tighter or bigger or whatever, and then obviously you start risking more, you start playing around with your stop, all that kind of stuff. Not only does it mess with your head, but it's easy to do. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to use a risk reward tool on MT5. So basically what you do, you set your parameters, so you can do RR, so you can do like 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, whatever, or you can do a percentage, so you can go, okay, I want to risk 1% on my account, so it works it out all for you, so you can move your stop and it just keeps it at 1%. So if you want to move your stop below a previous low or a previous high or whatever, you just literally get your risk reward tool on there, and then you can just move your stop up and down. Obviously I'm going to jump on in a second and show you. Hope that makes sense. So this really changed my trading experience, and because I always used to moving stops, I just like start messing around with them, especially if you're live trading on the 1 minute, trying to get them stops right, you know, just below a wick or something becomes a bit of a pain sometimes. So this just takes all thinking about it. I mean, if you've got like I don't know, it's £5,962 account. Well, as you work 1% on that, like instantly, this does it all for you. So it just basically goes off the balance on your screen, so off the balance of your account, sorry, and then basically it just works it out straight away. So I'm going to jump on there now and show you exactly how it works. But I'll say if you're starting off trading, or you find it hard moving your stops or working out risk or whatever, I'd say this is the tool you need to use. So let's jump on there, guys, and then I'll show you how to use it. Let's go. In the first bit, I'm going to show you how to use the trade assist on MT5. So basically this really takes the stress out of trading. Gotta try this, guys. Okay, so we've got a GU chart here, so we're flying up, obviously making higher highs. But if we go down to the 1 minute, yeah, and we just zoom out a little tiny bit, yeah, so obviously we've a little bigger structure here, and then obviously we've had a failed new high. So obviously if you say you're looking to take this trade, yeah, let's zoom in again. Yeah, so this is it. Trade assist MT5. So if you go onto the MT5 store, you can just download it. I think it costs $99. I think I got it on a sale, so I think it's like $49 for lifetime membership. But anyway, okay, so on this account there's 50,408 quid, yeah. So risk I do 0.45 as a 5% risk, just take away your obviously your spread and your commissions, all that kind of stuff. So that's what I do anyway. So then you press this lines, yeah, and then you just move this around wherever you want. You move this up and down, yeah. Okay, so say you just want to do a risk to reward trade. So you click on this one here. So you see where you got 2 to 1. So you can click RR, and then it works out. So we move this to here. Oh. So RR, yeah, it's 2 to 1. So hopefully if we move this now, that'll work out a 2 to 1 risk reward. So say you want to take let's move this down, yeah. So say we want to take a sell from the high here, and we go, okay, we don't want to be too greedy, so we just want to leave it I'll stop quite above the high there, so we're protected, and all we want to do is catch a quick 2R here, yeah. So this will work it all out for you. So 2R's there. So you see around here, that profit doesn't change, so watch. So that stays at 454, so that's a risk of 2R. It works out all your lots. So to there it'd be 9 lots, obviously to here it'd be 5, 4, 3, etc. That just stays at a 2R risk. Obviously if you want to change it to, okay, I want a say a 5R. So 5R, yeah. So a 5R would be to here. See the way it works all out for you? So obviously if you move your stop tighter, 5R is going to be a lot less. And then look at that. Absolutely takes all, like, so if you're trying to work out what's a 5R here with me stop, yada yada yada, becomes a complete nightmare. This is just so easy. I mean, you've just got to try it, guys. So that's your 5R now, yeah. So easy peasy. So down to that low there. So say, okay, price is probably going to go down there. So what I want to do is protect my stop right up here, because I know price is highly likely to come down to test these lows here. So you know that's a 5R with a £1,132 profit. Yeah, so move it. Profit stays exactly the same, yeah. So you can go to that low, yada yada yada. Okay. I don't use really the RR, I use the lot calculator. So lot calculator doesn't move, so that doesn't move now. So all it moves is your stop. So the more you move your stop tighter, the more profit you go in. So say you went to here, you wanted nice protected stop up here, so obviously your profit there would be 1,443, yeah, on 3.7 lots. So obviously if you move it tighter, say you took a sell, as soon as this wick closes here, you want to be just above that wick, so it works out that's going to be, so that's going to be 9.45 lots. Your stop's still the same at 226 quid, so obviously that's 0.5%, 0.45% of 50, so 50k. And obviously these lows, you'd be £2,796. Yep. So obviously you can still move that stop, you can move this. So this is what I use it for, to be fair. So this just takes all the stress out, calculating your lots, calculating 0.5% on your stop loss, and obviously it just gives you what your profits are going to be straight away. And then also you can go, say you want to do, so you can take partials. I've never used it, but it's in here somewhere. Info, close, symbols, trade. There's a, I think it might be in here actually. Let's have a look. Where is that? Close all, settings, yeah, impartials. Ah, there we go, yeah. So you can go take one, take two, and take three profit as see impart, and then it works out for you here. So obviously you can go, okay, my first target's going to be here, so that'll be £1,000 with 1.19R, 2 lots. Second lot's going to be here, third's going to be here, and obviously if you move that, they move. So obviously, you know, think, so you can just take partials all the way down as well, so that just stops you closing trades maybe too early or letting them run too much or anything like that. You can just literally go, okay, think, stops up here, nice protected. I know I'm going to be selling the trade at 4.3 lots, and then my potential profit's going to be 1,000 there, or you can leave it down to the bottom, which would be 1,400. So I just wanted to show you that, guys, because this completely changed the way I traded, because it just takes all the thinking out of things, you're just doing stupid things where you don't need to. So I hope that helped, guys. Any other questions, put them in the comments below, and then I'll see you on the next video, guys. Cheers.